In this video, we'll start with simple lines, then build up the bird and background step by step using only pencil. Let's draw 3 lines for our bird, a tail line, a body line, and a head. This will act as the center guideline of our bird. Now let's move on to the body. We're going to draw from the back end in a triangular shape. And we will connect that triangle with a curved line over the top of the body, giving our bird some shape. And then we'll add a belly underneath. Now at the head, we're going to draw a circle around our center line and add a small triangle for the beak. And now let's connect our head to the bottom part of the body of our bird. Connect the back of the head to the back of the body and add a tail. Now let's replace the center line of our bird head with a curved line and give our bird head a little bit more shape and add in the eye. We're going to erase the center line of the body of our bird and give it a curved line from front to back, adding more 3-dimensional shape to our bird. And we're going to readjust the belly of our bird, make it a little bit more plump. Now we're going to add a branch for our bird to sit on so it doesn't look like he's floating in midair. Now I'm going to start to add in some trees, focusing on just the lines of the trees, kind of where I want to put them. And we'll go back and add some branches. And don't forget to add the legs to the bird. Now we can add in the branches. Erase the lines of our branches. And let's start adding the bark by darkening the lines. Let's add in a layer of shading to all our trees. Then we'll go back over it with a 2B pencil and darken it up. But we're only going to darken 3 trees. We'll take a 2H pencil and add some bark lines. Now let's darken up our bird and add some details. Now we want the bird to be darker than our darkest tree so it comes out and sits in the front. Add a highlight to our bird's eye and shade around that, and it will give the eye a more realistic look. Add in a layer of shading for the wings. Then I'm going to use an eraser to create some lines on the wings. And go back over them with a pencil to add a little bit of detail. darken the branch that the bird is sitting on, the same darkness as the bird. It keeps it in front of the trees and gets our focus onto the bird and the branch it's sitting on. Keep it real, draw what inspires you, and I'll see you in the next video.